So I'm trying to cover every single detail, repeat myself a lot because...
Well, I think it's great, like I said, because we do have a good stock audience, but I do think probably a large majority is futures.
Okay.
And then we do have crypto and we do have forex as well.
Okay.
And with that, though, is that this is a universal concept. It focuses on the cycles as well. And again, even if you don't, in terms of your trading, if you're a scalper, day trader, no problem. And even if this is something that you might not utilize to take trades or even manage because of your time horizon, whatever it may be, this is going to allow you to understand the overall cycle. And especially even just from an investing standpoint.
Yes.
Because I was very big on, everyone should learn to trade. But I don't think so. I think everyone should learn to invest, right? As in everyone, especially traders, because investing is the thing that will probably make them the highest return in comparison to, say, a lot of people just kind of get into a random crypto coin. Someone, they heard it somewhere, read it somewhere.
Exactly.
While using, and again, even with crypto, they could use this same stage analysis.
That's why I think this is a very, timeless principle. It's also very universal. And I think a lot of your viewers, like you said, will all gain value from this because it's timeless across all assets. So, we've covered full cycles in equities. We've covered crypto. We've covered some commodities. And I'll actually give a bonus right now. And just more of a current analysis that could lead to potential huge move in the future. Okay. I don't know the future, but it's uranium. This is spot uranium. And let's go through. This is a 20-year chart almost. The last high we made, all-time high, was in 2008 in the Great Financial Crisis. Wow. You can see, I'm not going to zoom in. I'm going to be more of a macro overview. Stage 2, stage 4, a lot of just randomness, doesn't matter. We've entered the stage 1, potential stage 3, stage 2, potential stage 3, then re-enter stage 2, came back into stage 4, now we're potentially in the stage 2 again. And when I look at this, it's a 20-year cup with handle, and we'll see over this 33.8-ish level, that to me is the pivotal point, as Jesse Livermore would say. And there's a huge fundamental and story backdrop to uranium as well. AI, it's pretty simple. I'm not going to get into details. AI requires immense energy. Nuclear is one of the safest, people don't think it's safe, but it's one of the safest, most efficient and cheapest form of energy. It also doesn't pollute the environment, and uranium is the fuel for that. So we'll see what happens here. 33.9 is really the big level. You could have snuck in this 27.2 area. We also have some uranium exposure, not directly to the spot uranium, but we have other nuclear stocks as well in the portfolio right now. So that's a bonus. I wasn't planning on sharing this, but I would say this is a current setup. Pay attention to it. You can also look at the URNM ETF, which is uranium miners. This actually broke out into all-time highs. We're in stage 2, above the 10, 20, 30, 40 week. These are the miners. URA is another uranium miner, also in stage 2 as well. So pay attention to that. We see there's a pretty good forward-looking prospect for this idea, and we'll see what happens and plays out.